can't run. I have no choice but to fight. I've been wearing the same outfit for 15 episodes straight. I should wash my ass. But forget that. I must fight. Damn it. COVID's outside.
Febreze, before you take your dirty ass outside, you know you're gonna lose, right?
Grandmaster Blunt, have more faith in me.
He's gonna die.
Febreze, you do know he has the power to take you out with one hit. But, you know, if you do beat him, just make sure you stop by Popeyes over on 6 Mile and pick me up some chicken salad. I need about 7 of them. Good luck. If you do manage, you know, the Popeye chicken sandwiches, I can cash out you.
So you finally decided to stop running and accept your fate like everyone else. But just like everyone else, you're gonna fall to my feet. Windex, Clorox, Angel Soft, Mr. Clean, Peroxide. You never stood a chance.
I don't care how powerful you are. I will stop you. Did you forget about these hands?
Kleenex, you are not yet prepared for this fight. Just because you have on the black Air Force Ones does not mean you have hands.
Make it all month to baby wipe this bitch.
Next.
No! You bastard! You killed Kleenex! I will seek revenge! Run those hands! It is time to duel! Febreze beam cannon! Yeah!
Had to come save your dumb ass again. Them sandwiches coming out of your cut this time.
This isn't it.
Blue Cross Blue Shield, bitch.
I hang around niggas who be dangerous. Some of them be wild as fuck, snorting angel dust. And you know I low-key need someone to pray for me. It's hanging around these niggas making me in handcuffs. Or I end up in a casket that is 6 feet deep. Or I pick up some bad habits, then I end up on the street. I've been having bad looks and I've been smoking like a chimney. Picked up drinking niggas, so that just might be the end of me. I'm trying to impress people who behind the scenes is into me.